Vantrue PlatePix license plate enhancement technology uses our proprietary image processing algorithms to enhance the front camera's license plate imaging, allowing for more accurate capture of plate information while driving. PlatePix mode excels at capturing license plates in motion. It can be used both during the day and at night, making it ideal for anyone who needs clear license plate images. Just keep in mind, turning on PlatePix might make the image a bit darker in some situations. You can also choose to turn it on at night and off during the day, depending on your needs. You can find the PlatePix timer in the recording settings, where you can set a schedule for PlatePix mode to turn on and off automatically. If you need brighter footage, we don't recommend turning on PlatePix mode. Instead, you can use HDR to reduce license plate overexposure or motion blur. Just a heads up, when the PlatePix timer is on, make sure HDR is also turned on. If you have the HDR timer turned on, make sure the PlatePix timer falls within HDR schedule, so it can switch properly. For example, if HDR timer is set from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., then the HDR timer's active period is from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. As long as the PlatePix timer is set within this time range, it can switch on and off freely, from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. the next day. This is outside the HDR timer's range. If PlatePix timer is set during this period, it won't be able to switch freely.